In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin elements on mobile in Wix Studio. To get started, open your site in Wix Studio so you can access the editor and make layout changes directly, since pinning is something you will usually want to fine-tune for smaller screens. The next thing you need to do is switch into the mobile view. At the top of the Wix Studio workspace, click the mobile icon. This lets you adjust the layout specifically for mobile devices without affecting how your site looks on desktop. Once you are in the mobile workspace, select the element you want to pin. This could be something like a button, an image, or even a container. Just click directly on that element so Wix Studio knows exactly what you want to edit. Make sure you've chosen the correct item before moving on, especially if you are working with overlapping sections or grouped elements. Next, open the inspector panel if it isn't already visible. You can do that by clicking the inspector icon at the top right of the editor. This panel gives you access to the settings that control how the selected element behaves, including its positioning on the page. Inside the inspector, scroll down until you find the position section. This is where you can change the way the element is placed on the screen. By default, the position type may be set to something like default or docking. To make the element stay fixed on the mobile screen while the user scrolls, change that setting to pinned. After that, look for the Pin to option and set it to page. This is an important step because it tells Wix Studio that the element should remain fixed relative to the entire mobile screen, instead of moving with another container or section. In other words, it stays visible in the position you choose as visitors navigate the page. Now you can decide exactly where the element should sit. Choose which edge of the screen you want to anchor it to, such as the top, bottom, left, or right. Then adjust the horizontal and vertical offsets to fine-tune the placement. This helps you line it up neatly and avoid covering other important content. It's a good idea to preview the spacing carefully, so the element feels intentional and easy to use on smaller screens. And that's it. Thanks for watching.